Hey, it's Jeff Lerner here. You know, with everyone hunkered down in their homes right now, I thought it'd be good to put a video together to share with you the best ways to make money from home in 2020. Today, there are 4.3 billion people who have access to the internet. But over the next 10 years, that number is projected to increase to 7.5 billion people. That means the time is right now to get online and get something started. So I want to show you some ways to make money right now and also how to set up some assets that are future-proof. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button for me. Make sure you click the bell to get notified as new videos come out. You can also go like and follow EntreNation on Facebook. It's my community of entrepreneurs. And I'm going to keep guiding you on the best ways to make money in other upcoming videos. So first up, I'm going to talk to you about ways you can get income fast, literally sitting at your home right now. And I know that your income needs depend on your situation. For some of you, it might be that, hey, I got to get some physical cash right now, or I got to have money coming to PayPal. I got to have money hitting my bank account, something to get income going fast. But then after that, I'm going to share with you the best ways to make money from home long-term, things you can set up now and then continue to grow and scale for years and years to come. All right, so keep watching till the very end. Number one, did you know you can get paid to eat healthy and to do healthy activities? Ever want to get fitter, want to have better sleep, want to eat better? Well, you can actually get paid to do those things. This is a dream way to reach your health goals. Basically what happens is you can do things like join health challenges. You can even track your steps. You can even track your sleep. All you need is your smartphone and some willpower. There is an app called the Achievement app. You just download it and the app itself integrates with more than 30 Android and iOS other apps. So what happens is through this one app, you get linked to cutting edge research, you get linked to medical journals, you get linked to doing surveys, you get linked to this whole cloud of other apps and other programs that generally contribute to the understanding of human health. And the Achievement app will offer you payment via PayPal or direct deposit of basically $10 for every 10,000 points that you accumulate inside the app. Number two, you can sell stock photos online. So if you love photography or you just have some good photos you've taken, you can post these on stock photo platforms and make a bit of extra income. They can be travel photos even literally from around your home of just everyday items. There are so many people who need to publish images on their websites, and I know because I've been this person. You're trying to promote your online business and you have to have photos that obey copyright regulations. Well, stock photo platforms like Shutterstock are constantly looking to expand their portfolio of copyright-free images that bloggers and other online marketers can use for their marketing purposes. So even if you don't have any amazing travel shots or you don't think you're a world-class photographer, you can go right now and take photos of everyday items. Take a photo of your laptop, take a photo of your phone, take a photo of your kitchen. It is amazing all the different types of photos that people need for promoting their business. Third, you can transcribe audio. This is a great option and something you can do on demand to make money anytime you want. You can earn at least $20 per hour or more with a website called Transcribe Me. If you have experience with legal or medical transcripts, even better, you can earn a bonus for those types of transcripts. So how much audio you transcribe is completely up to you. You can transcribe short clips, you can transcribe long clips. They even have some that are just as short as a couple minutes in duration, where you can just work for a few minutes, make a few bucks. And obviously they have some projects that are really long and can pay extra if you have the endurance to grit through it. And to get started, you just need an internet connection and a computer, so go check out Transcribe Me and learn more on their site. Next is getting paid just to complete simple tasks. There's a site called Remo Tasks, R-E-M-O, Tasks, where you can do a whole bunch of different types of tasks depending on just about any skill set. There is literally something there for everyone. You just sign up on their website and start earning money for doing things like categorizing everyday items, writing transcriptions, collecting data, even taking tests. Most of it is actually pretty easy work. Now, you're not going to retire doing simple tasks that you complete through remote tasks, but this is easy money that you can earn while you're sitting at home anyways. And I am a big believer in helping you to earn money working smart, not hard. At my training company, Entra, we have helped thousands of students break free from having to trade their time for very little money and actually build money-generating digital businesses. And anyone who is trainable and anyone who is determined to make a significant change in their life, financially, professionally, and even personally, can do these types of businesses. I know this because at one point in my life, I was literally almost $500,000 in debt. I know what it's like to be in a tight financial spot. But within 18 months, I paid back all of that debt and have been making money ever since with the power of these online digital businesses. Later in this video, I'm going to share more about actually how I made my money back in that case, exactly what I did. The next thing you can do to make money from home is user testing. And this is where you get paid to test out websites and just report bugs. And some good sites to go check out are usertesting.com and whatusersdo.com. We'll put links for those below in the description. And to get started, you just download their testing software. Then you record yourself with a webcam during the test, because the clients that are paying to have their websites tested, they want to see you and hear you interact with their website. Being able to see you shows your nonverbal language as well, your reactions and your responses to their websites. These sites will let you test between 3 and 5 websites each month, and you can expect to earn between $10 and $20 per test. And then if you're good, you can get invited to a live test where you can make at least $200 per test. The live tests are generally longer, but you actually get to interact with the client in real time and answer their questions. Now, the next few options I'm going to share with you are really good investments in time and skills, because you're not just going to make some money in the short term, you're going to build something that can generate a steady income flow, not just a little bit of cash. The first one is creating an online course. And online courses are not just about typical subjects we think of in school like math or history. I'm talking about courses based on something you're interested in or something that you're an expert at. It could be something like, here's 10 ways to read better, or 21 days to becoming healthier, or anything that you're passionate about. And the thing with designing an online course is that, yeah, it takes some time initially, but once the work is done, this is like an investment. It becomes a passive source of income. So it can pay you money without requiring hours and hours of your time, other than just the initial creation of the course. You can start with sites like Udemy and Teachable. These are good sites to start with making an online course. They actually have algorithms that will promote your course. But the thing about those sites is you're listed with loads of other courses that are basically your competition. It's a good place to start, but there are other places you can go from there. But if you're serious about reaching a bigger audience, sharing your course with lots and lots of people, I can help you out there too. My training company, we actually teach the skills of how to market your course directly through the internet or through social media, maybe a website, even running some ads. And that may sound really daunting at first, but once you understand the skills, it becomes easy to do, and you can promote and sell courses, or frankly, anything else you like on the internet. And I break it down step by step in my training course, which I'll put a link to at the end of this video in the description, where you can go get signed up. Next is starting an online business. And you've probably seen a million people on social media promoting this idea, but what exactly does it really mean? Well, an online business is a way to earn money by leveraging the internet, leveraging digital media, and promote yourself or any business's products or services. You can create a product, you can brand it, you can sell it, you can offer your own services, or you can even promote other people's products and receive commissions, and that is called affiliate marketing. There literally are thousands of options for creating an online business. Now you may be thinking, but how do I set it up? Where do I start? How do I promote it? And how do I make money from it? Well, I have a very detailed course that will show you exactly how to get it going. I've been on the internet since 2008, and I've taken over a decade of industry knowledge and broken it down step by step. Remember how I said I was almost $500,000 in debt and I paid it off in 18 months? Well, this was basically by selling other people's products and receiving commissions. Like I mentioned earlier, this is called affiliate marketing. And I have trained literally thousands of people on how to do the same thing. Most of them started out brand new, maybe just like you. And whether you're just looking for online training or you want to be part of a community that supports you, or even you want to get access to coaching or elite training groups like masterminds, we have it all in my company. So again, feel free to check out that training in the description below. I sincerely wish you success in finding the most awesome ways to make money this year, and ideally investing some time now to make money for years and years to come. Please share in the comments below what you decided to do. How did you get started with earning money from home? And also, again, I invite you to subscribe and make sure you click the bell for notifications, because I do post videos quite often. Thanks for your time. Look forward to seeing you on the next video. Take care.